My name is Lulu Briggs Dumo, a court candidate for Governor of Rivers State.
Okay, again, the Rivers State government has issued Order 22, where residents, the owners of building are going to acquire approval. How does that affect campaigns of political parties, especially that of yours, who have been going around to do your work?
Well, we've maintained from the very beginning that you have a Goliath who is afraid of David. And everything that they've done is to ensure that there will be no David to confront Goliath. So they've brought, frivolous cases here. They've meddled in the affairs of other parties to ensure that this Goliath will not be confronted by myself, the David. They brought Order 21 to say that you need to apply to your competitor in the race to give you approval, of venues where you can have your campaigns. And that because they have misused all of the resources of River State, we will have to now, give 5 million to them so they can use that to fund their own political parties. That's quite unfortunate. We were trying to see how, that makes sense, to anybody, And they brought another one to say that retroactively, for persons who have their campaign offices in residential areas, will have to apply again yet to another competitor, for approval, whether or not you can continue to have your office in that residential area. And then that's your competitor will decide your fate. So you can see that you brought actions that you ought not to have brought to ensure that your candidate is the only candidate. While those actions are pending, you're also saying that all the other candidates should not even be allowed to campaign. The Rivers people should not have the opportunity to make this judgment call themselves, whether or not they think that the party of the candidate of the PDP or of Accord or of ABGA or of SDP or of AA, that they would want as governor. The PDP wants just their party to present a candidate. And I've always wondered, why afraid of this contest? You are so massive. You're PDP. You've been in government since 1999. You say the other parties don't have structures. Yet those who don't have structures are frightening you so very much that you want to even close their campaign offices. Well, this is the height of irresponsibility by a political party, the PDP, and by the special grace of God. As you can see, every step that they take, we try to ensure that we remain very peaceful in Rivers State. But that's the whole idea. You're a government, you should not want to overheat the polity. You shouldn't want that. But you take actions to prevent people from campaigning. Twice, the candidate of the SDP had complained. Going out to campaign is attacked by PDP, hoodlums and all of that, would not be allowed even to campaign. Just to go out. Now we're not going to the venues that you say you own as Rivers State government and you will not allow others to use. Just to even go on the streets, you're even stopping them from doing that. Now you want to stop them from having campaign offices, So what would you not do to ensure that, this place is peaceful, is not in any kind of turmoil? But we'll continue to urge all our followers, to be law-abiding, and that this recklessness of the People's Democratic Party has, but a very short time. Elections will be in March. In May, there will be a new government, the government of Accord. So be rest assured that at that time, Rivers will have a law-abiding party, and all of you can live your lives in dignity. May God help all of us.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.